Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In last video we have seen how to add a user from Node.js. So in this tutorial we are going to delete some user from our code. So how we can do? Just come and create a function and we can give the name as a delete user. I am not going to pass any value as a dynamic. You can change according to your usage. And what we have to do, just go and check the LDAP.js document, and if you scroll down you can see one method is there, delete. So just copy that code and paste it here, and after that copy this line also, because we need if and else condition. I am just going to change the message like error in delete new user, right? And here we can say like deleted user. So actually what will happen here, we need to pass some dn, right? So where you will get, suppose I need to delete this user, right? So what I can do, just go to the properties, and here you can see, right, this is a full dn. So just copy this name and come here and paste it here. After that what we have to do, if you notice, whenever we are loading this program, this function we are calling, and this function we are passing the admin credential. After that we are doing bind operation. If bind will be successful, after that what we need to do, we need to delete that user, right? Just save and try to run. So once you will run, after that you can see you are getting message like the user has been deleted. So just go and cross check once. Come here, the count was 8, refresh, and now you can see the count is 7. Now I'm just going to delete this user also. So what is the CNS foo1? Just come and open this function, and here I'm going to change as a foo1. Again run. If you run again, you are getting the message like, okay, the user has been deleted successfully. So just go and here try to refresh, right? After refresh you can see currently only 6 user is there. If you don't know how to refresh, just click, and here you can see fetch and reload entry. So just click on reload entry, right? You can see there is 6 user only. So this is a way to delete user. So in next tutorial we are going to see how to add any user to the group.